Morning, ma'am. Are you Brittany Davis?
Good morning, yes.
And Miss Davis, did you get someone hired?
No, it's kind of expensive, but
Who'd
really
you-
expensive. I'm not even working right now. But
Who-
I went through
Who'd you talk to?
the legal aid. I put in an application for legal aid. It's a
Okay.
place that help you get a lawyer, but they say it could take 6 months to a year. So
Okay. So did you talk to any other lawyers like I told you to?
the first three that I talked to, wow, I talked to like probably 8 of them. But the lowest there goes like 2,000 to start off.
Do you have the names of the lawyers that I asked you that you talked to?
You asked me that last time. I was on.
Right. And then I reset you to talk to them more or get
Mhm.
someone hired. So
I
did you
talked to
talk to?
Brenshaw. I talked.
To
I
who?
can't remember their name. Brenshaw. There's one that's brothers.
Why wouldn't you write that down and bring it?
I wasn't expecting that I had to.
So it looks
I
like
already.
you weren't what?
I wasn't expecting that I had to.
So if you're okay. If I tell you to go talk to some lawyers and bring me the names of the
Mhm.
lawyers you've talked to, and you don't think you can remember them, then I would think just common sense would tell you to write them down so that you could tell me that you did what I ordered you to do so that you wouldn't go back to jail, right?
I did do what you ordered me to do.
Okay,
The
so
first time,
I
I
ordered
didn't-
you to bring back the names as well, not just talk to them, but bring back who you talked to so that I know who you talked to and that you're doing what I asked you to do, right?
The
Right?
cheapest ones that I've given you the last time I was here is the main ones that I was looking into.
Okay. But when you left last time, I gave you specific instructions,
Okay.
right?
Right.
Okay. So are you wearing your drug patch?
Yes, ma'am.
So it looks like back on. So you tested positive since you've had that drug patch on for methamphetamine.
What is that?
What does that mean?
I don't. But what with the patch?
Mm-hmm. Looks like you tested positive for methamphetamine, cocaine, and cocaine.
Uh,
Hold on. Let me print it out so I can read it better. So last time you were in here, you had an issue because you had showed up with your drug patch in your hand, so they couldn't test it. So I tested you in court, and then I made you get the drug patch put on again and told you to keep it on. And then the drug patch that was put on January 25th. Which was the day before that court date. So you had one on, you had taken it in, you put it on, tested positive for methamphetamine and cocaine. Have a seat in the jury box. I'm gonna have you tested this morning and then I'll decide what to do. John Richard?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Richard, is it Richard or Richard?
It's Richard.
And Mr. Richard, this is your initial appearance. And cause number 25 ECCR 0786. You are charged with. Get it pulled up. The third-degree felony offense of failure to comply with sex offender registration requirements from April 30th of 2025. And since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to hire a lawyer?
No, ma'am, I haven't. This was all just a misunderstanding. My sister had reported me missing.
Well,
But
and so they've indicted you for it, so it's probably really important that you get a lawyer, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So that if there is some issues or some information that lawyer can get to the assistant district attorney that would work out your case, then that's how that kind of works out, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So what I'll do is reset your case about 30 days to give you some time to try to hire a lawyer. If you-
I can't afford a lawyer because I don't work and I'm trying to get my disability and stuff.
Okay, but you do not have disability yet?
No, ma'am, I don't,
Okay, so why aren't you working at this point?
because I can't.
Why?
Physically, my knees are bad and I have arthritis and pancreas and.
There's lots of jobs for people who don't need to use their knees or different things.